You join me today near Chesterton, overlooking the most fantastic countryside views, including one of Warwickshire's most famous landmarks, Chesterton Windmill. I'm going to be showing you around this lovely, versatile family home. The property offers 3 bedrooms, an open-plan kitchen living area, and ample opportunity for further alterations, including loft conversion. The property sits on over half an acre, has multiple outbuildings and huge potential for future development, running a business from home and much more. This property must be seen to be fully appreciated. I'm Nicky Moore and let's go take a look. You join me at the end of the tour of this amazing home. If you would like to wake up every morning with views over Chesterton Windmill, then please get in touch with the details that will follow. Thank you for watching.